welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie. I am a certified massage therapist here in California, specifically in the spa industry, the spa and wellness industry. It is one of my passions, and that's why I'm here sharing my experience with this career and this path. And yeah, I have a couple questions that I want to answer from my comment section, and this is specifically on how to choose the right massage therapy program in your state and things to definitely look out for when choosing the right program. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get comfy, grab a blanket, grab something to drink. I have some homemade lemonade right here. And let's talk about massage therapy, how to find the right career for you, and a career that gives you balance and happiness. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and talk about my experience. So when I first started massage therapy and I changed my career into this field, what I did first was Google search massage therapy schools near me. The top 3 schools that I found was NHI, which is the National Holistic Institute of Massage Therapy. So I first discovered that school. The second school that I discovered was the San Francisco School of Massage and Bodywork. And then the last one was, there was a school in Oakland. It was called like the McKinnon Massage School or something like that. And so what I looked for first was like how the website looked. And I know that's kind of weird, but like in today's day and age, you really want to make sure that the school is reputable. So that is why the first school that I wanted to check out was NHI. There was a campus near where I used to live as well. So that was like, for me, that was one of the main reasons why I wanted to go to that school in the first place. However, it is recognized throughout California. It might be nationwide as well, I'm not quite sure. But it is a super popular school in California, especially in the Bay Area. A lot of spas hire from that school as well. So that's why I first wanted to check out that school in the first place. So I went to an orientation and went into the school, did a little tour of the campus, and met with some teachers and some advisors. However, for me, the tuition was around like $15,000 or $16,000. And if that's within your budget, then that's amazing. And it's still a good school to begin with, because a lot of spas and also like doctor's offices and chiropractors hire massage therapists from that school. But for me, it just wasn't in my budget, and I knew that I wanted to pay off school like in 1 or 2 years. So then I discovered San Francisco School of Massage and Bodywork. And I love their website, and it was also around $8,000 or $9,000 as well. So that was within my budget. And so, you know, since the budget worked for me, the website was reputable. It had a lot of information about the school, its certifications, its credits, all its teachers, everything like that. The next thing I did was go into the campus and meet with an advisor. I even did a couple test classes as well. And I love the environment of that school. That school, it just feels like an IKEA store. Like, the furniture is so cozy, the lighting is cozy, classrooms, I just fell in love with everything about that school. So that is why I chose San Francisco School of Massage and Bodywork. But most importantly, I think it's also if you connect with the teachers. The teachers are the ones that really make you into the massage therapist that you are. You know, they teach you everything from anatomy to connection with your clients, you know, how to be safe during a massage as well. So a teacher is so important, and if you connect with that teacher or connect with multiple teachers in that school, I think it's a good fit for you. So for me, if a program is within your budget, and if you look into the website, if you see a lot of credentials from that school, a lot of history from that school, you know, testimonials from alumni and other people that went there, and if it looks like the website was honestly designed nicely and had a lot of good pictures of the campus and of the teachers in the schools, why not go ahead and do further research, attend a couple test classes, go take a tour of the campus several times, see if you really vibe with the environment. And you know, you're going to be in that place for like 6 to 2 years, depending on how long the program is. So you really want to enjoy. Of course, there are other programs as well in the area, but I just didn't really, I don't know, I just found my school right away, and that's why I just decided to go into that specific school in San Francisco. But like I said before, you know, taking a tour of the campus and seeing if it's right for you. Okay, another thing to look out for is if the class size is right for you. Like for example, NHI is a bigger school, so they'll have more students and they'll have a lot more people in the classroom. Whereas the school that I went to was very intimate. There was like, you know, it could be as large as like 25 students, or it could be as small as like 6 to 8 students in a class. And for me, I just love the intimacy. I love learning and actually seeing the teacher like right in front of me, you know, teach the lesson and forming a close relationship with my classmates. So that is also an important factor to look into when choosing a school as well. And even ask questions with your advisor on like, you know, what the curriculum is like, how long the programs are going to be, you know, if they're going to have like an externship within the program, anything like that for extra experience, so that you can become, you know, a better massage therapist. What resources do they have? Do they have continuing education? So continue asking those questions as well to your advisors in the campus. So now I'm going to tell you all how to find a massage school within your area. So you're going to go to amtamassage.org, and over there, once you see the little menu section, you're going to click menu, and then you're going to go into the little section called the resources, and then within that section there's going to be a place called starting your massage career. And then click on that, and then once you click on that, you'll see a button that says Massage School Locator. And then over there, once you click on that area, you're going to go ahead and type in your city, where you live, and then it'll go ahead, and then there's going to be a whole bunch of massage programs within your area. So that is an easy way to find like accredited schools where you can get all the credits and hours that you need to be a professional massage therapist, to get either a certification or a license to be a massage therapist and start on your career as well. All right, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video as well. Going to different massage programs in your area, just kind of getting a feel of what it's like, seeing students learning in classrooms, you know, things like that. And then I think it'll be easier to make your choice. So anyway, everyone, again, thank you so much for all your questions, and I'm really happy to see a lot of people kind of get into this field. You know, it's the wellness industry. It's really one of my passions because I want to help people just feel a lot healthier in life, especially during these COVID times when, you know, people are stressed, they're anxious, and of course COVID is getting better, but we want to be healthier and better version of ourselves. So that is why I love this career and passion. And also I love teaching people that there are natural ways as well to heal yourself, natural ways to feel better without having to like solely rely on Western medicine. Even though Western medicine can be great, I also believe in like holistic forms of health, Eastern modalities of health, things like that. So I love you guys so much. If you have any more questions, let me know down below. I have more content on massage therapy coming your way, like a typical day in my life as a massage therapist. And then I also just do like lifestyle things and vlogs. I just went to Disneyland recently as well, so I have a vlog on that too coming up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you all so much, and I'll see you the next time, everyone. Bye! Thank you.